Hello and welcome to Baby's Boo World. It's time for another fun filled story packed with learning and laughter. Parents, let's dive in together. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. Sam loved to draw. He drew every single day on paper, on the back of all notebooks, and even on napkins. His favorite thing in the whole world wide was his red drawing pencil. He called it Penny. One night, after a long day of coloring and doodling, Sam looked at Penny and whispered, I wish you were magic so I could see my drawings come to life. Then Sam did something he had never done before. He carefully placed Penny under his pillow and said, Good night, Penny. I hope I dream about all the things I draw. He snuggled into bed and drifted off to sleep. The next morning, Sam woke up feeling different. He yawned, stretched, and pulled Penny out from under his pillow. Good morning, Penny. He smiled, but when he touched it, Penny sparkled, just a little shimmer of gold dust. Whoa, did you see that? Sam whispered. Are you magic now? Sam giggled and ran to his notebook. He flipped to a blank page and drew something silly, a flying dog with wings and a big red nose. Let's see if you really are magic, he said. He closed the notebook and went to brush his teeth. But when he came back, there it was, a real flying dog, flapping its wings in his bedroom. Barked the dog as it zoomed around the ceiling fan. Sam's mouth dropped open. You really worked. All day long, Sam drew. He drew a cookie tree and one popped up in the backyard. Chocolate chip cookies dangled from the branches. He drew a teeny dinosaur and it started stomping around his toy box. He drew a slide made of rainbows and it appeared in his living room, glittering and glowing. Sam was having so much fun. He laughed, he played, and he couldn't believe his eyes. Penny was now his magical friend, and everything felt like a dream come true. But the next day, things started getting a little messy. Sam had drawn a cloud that rains lemonade, but now the kitchen floor was all sticky. He drew 50 puppies to play with. Now they were running everywhere, chewing socks, jumping on the couch, and digging up the garden. And the cookie tree? It had attracted so many ants that mom had to call the pest guy. Sam, his mom said, wiping lemonade off the table. What's going on? Just a little imagination, Sam said nervously. That night, Sam sat on his bed, holding Penny. Maybe I got carried away, he whispered. Magic is fun, but I think I need to be more careful. The next morning, Sam had an idea. He opened his notebook and slowly drew a cleanup crew, a group of teeny robots with brooms and buckets. Just like magic, they appeared and started tidying up the house. Then Sam drew a tiny home for the puppies with lots of space to play and nap. He drew a special rainbow slide that would disappear after sunset, so the living room would go back to normal at night. Penny, he said with a smile, I think I understand now. Magic is amazing, but it comes with responsibility. Penny sparkled again, just a little shimmer of golden light, as if to say, Good job. That night, Sam placed Penny back under his pillow. Thank you for the magic, he whispered. I am going to use it wisely now. Then he yawned, snuggled into his blanket, and dreamed of giant bubble baths, dancing cats, and adventure in Candy Mountains. A note for parents. Dear grown-ups, The Pencil Under the Pillow is a story about imagination, creativity, and learning that even fun things need a little balance. It gently reminds kids and us too that every wish has a result and it's important to think before we act. Encourage your little dreamers to keep imagining big but also guide them to use their creativity in thoughtful ways. Because sometimes the most magical thing we can give our children is the wisdom to use their magic well. If you like this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Baby's Boo World. See you in the next story. Bye bye.